Welcome to today's tutorial on adding to an outline in Google Docs. Whether you're structuring a report, essay, or any other content, knowing how to expand your outline is essential. Let's dive in. 1. Navigate to the outline, click on View in the top menu, select Show Outline to display the outline panel on the left, locate the section to add content, scroll through the outline to find the section where you want to add content. Click on the heading for that section. 2. Edit and expand. Start typing your additional content directly beneath the existing heading. Use subheadings, if needed, to further break down the section. 3. Update automatically, as you add or adjust headings. The outline will update automatically. New sections will appear in the outline as you type. Congratulations! You've learned how to add to an outline in Google Docs. Keep your document well structured and organized. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.